I'm Johnny Surfer from the Loop Brothers. Here at Surf Television, we're going to give you a quick run-through of the Boss RC300 loop station. That's right. Okay, simple, quick, and easy. Let's run through this. Okay, it's composed of 3 different tracks here, 1, 2, and 3, which you activate by pressing the first button, stop by pressing the stop button. Nice and easy. You have 3 of these. Okay, activate and stop. Activate and stop. You can also start all 3 at the same time using this start all button. Really easy. Okay. Bum, ba-dum, ba. So we have 3 different tracks with 3 different loop samples, and we control the master volume here and the 3 volumes of these 3 different tracks here. So as you can see, I've got 1 and 2 a little bit lower down than number 3, for the reason that these were recorded too loud. Okay, and this sounds good at this volume. So, master volume, your 3 levels for these 3 tracks. They're all activated by pressing the first button and stop by pressing the second button. Okay, moving on.